Hi, I'm Roy from Financial Intake. Today, we're diving into Lumen Technologies Q3 2024 earnings report. This quarter, Lumen demonstrated significant progress in its transformative journey, aiming to redefine itself in the AI-driven economy. The company has been expanding its fiber footprint, developing advanced network infrastructure, and strategically positioning itself in AI connectivity. In this video, we'll explore Lumen's financial performance, its AI and connectivity solution strides, and what this all means for investors. Let's get started. To begin, here is a quick note on Lumen's use of forward-looking statements and non-GAAP measures. The company uses these tools to offer clearer insights into its growth strategy, financial expectations, and operational goals. However, investors need to remember that these projections are based on assumptions about future market trends, economic conditions, and internal decision-making, all of which carry inherent risks. Lumen encourages investors to review these metrics with a clear understanding of the potential uncertainties involved. You can refer to the full disclaimer in the earnings report. This quarter, Lumen has achieved significant milestones in its operational transformation, as the company seeks to redefine telecom by moving towards a more agile, digital-first model. Their quantum fiber business recorded a record high in new subscriptions, a clear indicator of growing demand for high-speed fiber broadband. This segment remains pivotal to Lumen's strategy, mainly as they invest heavily in fiber expansion to enhance service quality and improve speed capabilities across various regions. Additionally, Lumen is aggressively pursuing the growth of its network as a service (NAS) offerings. NAS is a cloud-based model that allows businesses to scale their networking solutions more flexibly and efficiently, a significant advantage in the digital economy. The adoption of NAS positions Lumen at the intersection of cloud and connectivity, helping to capture market share in high-growth areas like AI, IoT, and edge computing. This focus on high-tech, adaptable solutions is central to Lumen's transformation strategy, aiming to cater to modern enterprises' evolving connectivity needs. Lumen has introduced its private connectivity fabric, an advanced network architecture explicitly built to support the demands of AI applications. With data traffic surging due to AI-driven workloads, Lumen's fabric is engineered for high throughput, low latency, and robust security, making it an ideal solution for enterprises that rely on AI for real-time decision-making. This connectivity fabric integrates with Lumen's existing fiber infrastructure, amplifying its ability to handle large volumes of data efficiently and securely. The significance of this architecture lies in its potential to attract partnerships with big tech and AI companies, which require top-tier infrastructure to power their machine learning, deep learning, and other AI operations. By focusing on the requirements of these cutting-edge fields, Lumen is positioning itself not only as a telecom provider, but as a vital enabler of the AI economy. As the company continues to roll out this infrastructure, we can expect more announcements and collaborations shortly, which could open up additional revenue streams and strengthen its market position. Lumen's total revenue for Q3 2024 was reported at $321 billion, marking an 11.5% decrease from the previous year. This decline reflects broader trends impacting the telecom sector, such as market competition, economic factors, and the impact of Lumen's recent divestitures. It's also worth noting that while revenues have declined, Lumen's core U.S. enterprise business has shown resilience. This area remains vital to Lumen as it serves large enterprises and public sector customers who depend on stable, reliable connectivity solutions. Despite the revenue drop, Lumen strategically focuses on enhancing high-growth segments, particularly fiber broadband and AI-driven connectivity. This approach could stabilize revenue and drive recovery in the coming quarters as these new initiatives gain traction. Within the mass market segment, Lumen's fiber broadband revenue grew impressively by 16.6% year-over-year, reaching $190 million. The increase reflects strong demand for faster internet speeds and reliable connectivity, especially as more households and small businesses upgrade to fiber-based services. Lumen added 43,000 new fiber subscribers this quarter, showing that their investment in expanding fiber networks is attracting a growing customer base. This fiber expansion is also part of Lumen's long-term vision, establishing a market-leading position in high-speed internet. Fiber broadband provides significant competitive advantages over traditional broadband, including faster speeds, excellent reliability, and scalability for future technologies. As Lumen continues to roll out fiber in underserved areas and urban centers alike, it expects this segment to become a central pillar of revenue growth. Lumen's adjusted EBITDA for Q3 2024 came in at $899 million. a 14.3% decrease from the prior year. While adjusted EBITDA declined, it's essential to consider this metric in light of Lumen's structural changes and divestitures. The EBITDA margin was relatively substantial at 27.9%, only slightly down from 28.8% in Q3 2023, indicating that Lumen has managed to maintain operational efficiency despite revenue pressures. The steady margin suggests Lumen is making progress in streamlining its cost structure. This focus on efficiency allows the company to direct more resources toward growth initiatives, particularly in AI connectivity and fiber broadband, which are expected to be key drivers of future profitability. Investors will be watching closely to see if Lumen can continue to balance cost management with expansion in high-potential segments. Lumen reported $1.2 billion in free cash flow for Q3, showcasing strong cash generation and reinforcing its financial flexibility. Free cash flow is critical as it allows Lumen to fund capital-intensive initiatives such as expanding fiber networks and investing in AI-driven solutions without over-reliance on external financing. This quarter's cash flow performance is a positive indicator, showing that Lumen's core operations remain robust and can generate substantial cash. This liquidity is also crucial for managing debt, a priority for Lumen as it strives to maintain a healthy balance sheet. With a strong cash position, Lumen is well positioned to service its debt while continuing to invest in growth initiatives, which is essential for long-term sustainability and shareholder value. Looking ahead, Lumen reaffirmed its guidance for 2024, with expectations for adjusted EBITDA between $3.9 and $4.0 billion, and free cash flow in the range of $1.2 to $1.4 billion. This guidance reflects the company's confidence in its transformative strategy, focusing on high-growth areas like fiber broadband and AI-enabled connectivity solutions. The commitment to this outlook underscores Lumen's strategic priorities: driving growth in fiber broadband, enhancing digital infrastructure, and capitalizing on its new AI-focused architecture. As Lumen continues implementing the recommendations from its transformation strategy, the company aims to strengthen its competitive position in the rapidly evolving tech landscape, potentially leading to revenue stability and growth in the coming years. In conclusion, Lumen's Q3 2024 earnings report shows a company amid a significant transition, with encouraging growth in fiber broadband, substantial cash flow generation, and promising initiatives in AI connectivity. The continued focus on transformative infrastructure and strategic investments could position Lumen for growth in the tech-driven future. If you enjoyed this deep dive and want to stay updated on more earnings insights, like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Thanks for tuning in to Financial Intake, and we'll see you next time.